Alright, let's break down Bitcoin, the internet's most talked about digital money. Imagine I want to send you 10 bucks, but instead of using a bank, I use Bitcoin. Here's the cool part, there's no middleman. Instead, Bitcoin runs on something called blockchain. Picture a giant notebook. But instead of being locked in a bank vault, it's shared across thousands of computers around the world. Every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin, that transaction gets written in this notebook. Once it's in there, it's permanent, no takebacks, no erasing. But how does it stay secure? This is where miners come in. They're not digging for gold, they're using computers to solve really tough puzzles. When they solve one, they add a new page to the notebook, and as a reward, they earn some Bitcoin. That's how new coins are created. Now you might wonder, what makes Bitcoin valuable? Two things: there's a limited supply, only 21 million will ever exist, and people trust the system because it's open and anyone can check the records. To actually use Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet. That's like a super secure app where you keep your coins, and when you want to send someone Bitcoin, you just enter their wallet address and hit send. So, to sum it up, Bitcoin is digital money, built on a public ledger and powered by a global network of computers. No banks, no governments, just pure peer-to-peer value. Simple, right?